Okay everyone, Mazda rx8 just bought salvage with an electrical fire. It was down as flooded, but I think it's more likely probably flooded because somebody chucked water in it to put the fire out. Okay, 06 plate, 231 Mazda. Couldn't get her to go. We reckon, well, I reckon she's flooded. So we've tried the old taking the fuel pump fuse out, which is that little puppy in there. Okay, I'll let you take a look at that so you know which one it is. Okay, and Mazda are great because they actually tell you on the inside of their fuse box. Okay, easiest way to try and start her when she's flooded is take the fuel pump off. Take the fuel fuse out. Okay, the spark plugs, the easiest way, just take the wheel off, pull out this little flap here, and then with a universal joint on your 1/2" drive ratchet, then you can take your spark plugs out. Okay, obviously take your high tension leads off. Okay, and these have already been wound in, so don't worry, I've already wound them in by hand. Okay, so pop your plug spanner on, wind them in, there you go, wind them in. Okay, what I've done is I've taken the crank sensor off. Okay, taking the crank sensor off, which is under there. The easiest way to get to it is under there. One of the handy things with the crank sensor leads is if you push the actual sensor on, if you can't get the sensor off, which is up under there, okay, push it back on and then try and release it. Mine was a bit of a pain, but if you push it back on you can get to it. You can already see the fuel's leaking out of there because what I've done is taken 2 lower spark plugs off, taken the crank sensor off, very important, take the crank sensor off, and then cranked it over until the air that was being forced out was relatively clean and dry looking. Okay, so we're just coming up now to restart. Okay, so flooding procedure, the fuel pump fuse is still out. Foot flat on the floor and crank away. Get rid of a bit of music. So now ease the foot off and accelerate it slowly. Okay, so let's try again. Nothing at all. Alright. Maybe she does want fuel. So let's have a look, make sure everything's all attached. Okay, fuel fuse in. Crank sensor on, leads on. Okay. So let's try again. Now then, the flooding procedure start is foot on the floor, ignition on, and away you go. As you want it to go. And ease off the throttle. Oh, so close. So down on the throttle. And ease up. And off the throttle. And down on the throttle. Now it may need the wand actually put in those rotors to dry them out, but she's so close. She's so close considering she's bought salvage and probably been sat. Lovely to see her boost up. I think I'm just going to take that fuse out again. Let me see that one again. There we go. Doing 2 people here really, so I could feather that fuse in and out. So here we go, foot on the floor. So just ease up on that throttle and completely off that throttle now. She's been a bit of a tart, isn't she? Never mind. You may have to do this again or even leave the plugs out overnight. But it's good to see some smoke. And there's a bit of smoke coming. Just can't be getting any fuel because the fuel thing's out. Alright, I'm actually going to try another way now, taking the fuel line off and putting it in a bucket.